Hi, everyone. Thank you for clicking through to the eighth edition of the Braintree SkyRocket Sessions with myself and Dimitri. And today we are chatting LS Central.
Awesome, Gareth. I'm excited as we are now moving into the ISV space. Maybe just remind us again, what are ISVs exactly?
Cool idea, Dimitri. An ISV stands for Independent Software Vendors. And in our space, this means any piece of software that embeds itself or integrates into our base ERP products.
Okay, so can I assume then that LS Central is based on D365 Business Central? And if so, what does it add to the base ERP?
Well, Dimitri, as you can see, there are specific challenges that are faced by retail, and LS Retail is essentially a software product aimed at retail companies, right? And we provide the solution and we address those challenges directly, right? So challenges like costs, lack of control, loss of sales, consumer behavior, disparate systems. I keep mentioning the fact that companies have many, many different systems performing different tasks for them. As you can see on this slide, the system addresses those concerns in a very retail-oriented way. Specifically, if you look at things like reducing costs and gaining sales opportunities, which speaks to things like membership, loyalty, coupons, campaigns on the sales side. And then on a cost perspective, it speaks to things like replenishment and inventory management. And these are things that are specifically associated to retail.
Sure, and with COVID slowly moving into the past, retail activity is back on the climb. And I mean, the retail season is fast approaching.
That is true. So if you know anyone in retail, make sure to tell them about Alice now before the festive season begins.
I'll definitely do so. So just to check quickly, LS Central is a D365 plus BC LS Retail equals one all-in-one for your retail needs solution.
100% correct, Dimitri. As you can see from this slide, LS Central takes all the power of D365 Business Central, which is at the core here. Remember, we've spoken in the past about D365 Business Central being our flagship ERP product in the SMC space, or medium to large space. So that would handle all your finances, your accountings, and HR. And what happens is LS Central has embedded itself on top of that core ERP product to provide solutions specifically around supply chain, the commercial aspects of retail, and then very specifically in retail is obviously the retail outlet. So it provides solutions in store like point of sale, et cetera, et cetera. So it sits on top of the really powerful ERP at the base.
Okay, so that's really cool. And I can see that it serves a number of different sectors within retail.
100% right. So if you have clients in pharmacy, fashion, furniture, grocery, restaurants, even forecourt, so the marketers that deal with fuel companies and sell you petrol, hotels, we can help all of those kinds of customers.
Sure, that is amazing. And I'm sure there are so many other partners out there already starting to think about how to get you in front of their clients just to sell this product. So in summary, the reasons to go to LS are one system for all your retail needs, customizable solution. It's built on top of D365 Business Central. It's a low cost of investment, and there's various options in terms of licensing. And I mean, let's not forget, you get the opportunity to make the right decision the first time around. So, just tell me, do we have anything special that sets Braintree apart as an LS retail provider?
100%, Dimitri. I'm very glad you asked that question. So besides the fact that this is really an amazing solution, as it stands on its own, Braintree is one of 6 diamond partners globally for LS Retail. So, I mean, that's a huge accolade. So in the whole world, there's only 6 diamond partners. We are one of them. So not only do we understand retail, we are one of the best partners you can choose. And we have many clients in this space to support that fact.
Sure. I suppose if you're going to systemize retail, you may as well choose the best. Can you give us the kinds of ideas that would use this retail solution?
Sure. As you can see, any business that has multiple retail outlets is a potential customer and can benefit from the range of features and services that LS Retail has to offer.
Sure. So, I mean, anything from your small retail store to a conglomerate such as Spa, we have something to offer. And given our diamond status, who else would you choose?
That's exactly correct. No one else.
Awesome. Awesome. Thank you so much, Gareth. Guys, remember, the more you know, the more you sell. And if you have more conversations, please reach out to either myself or Gareth, and we'll be happy to engage with your customers and have those conversations.
100%. Let's chat and make some money together, guys. Have a wonderful week. Stay tuned for next week when Dimitri chats about something special. See you later.
Cheers.